Well, guys, I enjoy the OnePlus 12 so much that I had to pick up the OnePlus Open. And this video will just be my very first impressions for you guys with the OnePlus Open. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The phone, in my opinion, is absolutely one of the cleanest, best feeling in the hand designed foldables I have ever seen. The way that the hinge is just so perfect here, and the flat edges, and it feels like I'm holding a regular smartphone like an S24 Ultra or a 15 Pro Max. It doesn't feel like I'm carrying a foldable. The Z Fold 5 is insanely heavy compared to this, and the Pixel Fold also feels a little fat in the hand, than this. Now, why this is a benefit to me is this phone's been out, I don't know, almost 6 months now. And being that it's been on the market for as long as it has, it is much more affordable today than it was when it first came out. I believe it was, $1,700 when it first came out. And in terms of brightness, it is easily the brightest display, that you could get for a foldable. At 2800 nits is just great. I don't know if the numbers are better on other devices now, but the other benefit I get at catching this thing a few months later after release is the fact that it is also cheaper. It's had several updates. The cameras have been made better over time. And it's got Android 14 as opposed to 13 when it first came out. So, in my opinion, this thing is an absolute positive beast, just first impressions. And having that big covered display as opposed to the thin one that we get on the Z Fold 5 has been invaluable. Which gets me to the folding the phone open part. This is absolutely awesome. I mean, this big giant display with the 120 hertz refresh rate is absolutely positively gorgeous. I mean, we'll see. I haven't even got into the cameras and things of that nature yet, but I'm sure if the OnePlus 12 is taking any cues from this, that it will be just as good, if not the same as the 12, and that will be impressive to me. In my opinion, this is a solid phone first impressions, and it's literally just within a couple hours of me using it. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Stay tuned for my full coverage on this thing. This thing is absolutely beautiful, and I'm super excited to have it.